illegal schools being run on residential buildings. Husn Sahara English and Konkani Medium School, Gogol. Speaker said permissions were obtained using a building plan belonging to one Mr. Abdullah Makandar, but schools are not functioning at that location. School dakhela ikkade na asa baltis building. Misrepresentation, illegal occupation, serious violation of building safety norms. आम्ही रावता केन्ना आता एक दीस ते स्कूल पडटले आनी भुरग्यांक कितें तरी जातलें. Speaker sir, what's Urfan Mullaचे भाव are drawing salaries from the same schools. This is not cronyism, this is loot, this is family controlled education racket under political protection. Speaker sir, हम आता डिमांड करता कि high level judicial inquiry headed by a retired high court judge into the entire fake certificate racket recruitment process and illegal operations in AIM Higher Secondary School, Rumdamol, Dovalli, AIM Salset High School, Rumdamol, Housing Board, Navili, AIM English Medium High School, Rumdamol, Dovalli, Husn Sahara Konkani Primary School, Gogol, Husn Sahara Higher Secondary School, Gogol, Husn Sahara Primary School, Fatorda, Husn Sahara Konkani Primary School, Chimbel, Husn Mahera English Medium School, Chimbel, Husn Makil English Medium High School, Betoda. Paula the boy, Speaker sir. How Husn Sahara. Speaker sir, सगळे स्टाफ with questionable and unverifiable qualification and suspend करपाक जाय. तांचे further salary disbursement बंद करूंक जाय until the verification is complete. Speaker sir, FIR under section 420 cheating, 468 forgery for purpose of cheating, 120B criminal conspiracy against the management and fake degree holders करपाक जाय. Sir, schools cannot become shell companies, teachers cannot become imposters, and government departments cannot be mute spectators. Speaker sir, आजेर मुख्यमंत्र्यान जर कितें केलें जाल्यार दाखोवन तो दितलो की no political connection is bigger than the constitution. हें जर जायना जाल्यार ही सगळी फायल घेवन म्हाका दिसता आमकां कोर्टान वचचें पडटलें, कोणाक तरी कोर्टान वचचें पडटलें. सरकाराक क्लियर सांगता आनी हांव हेजे भितर बसल्या तांकां सांगता, तुमी बी जर ते अशें दोळे बंद केले जाल्यार तुमी आन्सरेबल आसतले, तुमकां एक दीस कोर्टान येवचें पडटलें.